Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you how to model this roof. Okay, so it's more a fun project. I don't think you should use this in real project. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a curtain panel pattern base family. And before I do anything, I'll just change this grid to roughly maybe 500 mil by 500, and also the scale to maybe 1 to 10. So now let's start. So I'm going to, so actually this is the pattern of this roof is I'm going to model these two tiles. So tile 1 and tile 2 in this one. So tile 1 will be like here, tile 2 will be here. Okay, so let's start. So point, middle point, and another one here, another one here, another one here, another one here. So select this point, change this to 0.75, and this one change it to 0.25. Same here, 0.25 and 0.75. Okay, so now we need to do the arc. Okay, so reference arc, draw on work plan, set work plan, tab, pick, place, 1, 2, radius, and create a radius. So let's call it R1 instance. Okay, and another one, arc, work plan, set, tab, pick, place point, and radius R1 as well. Okay, so before I place another set of arc, I'm going to create two reporting parameters. So I'll change the scale. Okay, so here dimension in floor plan dimension. So pick this point. Make sure you pick the point. Pick point. Oh, sorry, I picked the reference plane. So let's do it again. Di, pick, and pick. Another one here. So this one will be W1 reporting parameter. This one will be W2 with instant reporting. Okay, so now go to 3D view. We have these two reporting parameter, and then we will use W1 to control R1. So family types R1 equals W1 divided by 4. Okay, so now if I change the size, and it will say the radius R1 will follow that. Okay, so now let's continue. So now we need a thickness. Okay, so family types. So I'll just create a thickness parameter. RSVK and our topping maybe 30 for now, and okay. So now I'll just do another reference arc, draw our plan, set our plan, and pick this vertical and do this one. Okay, so radius, and this one I'll call it R1 R1A maybe. So R1A instance. Okay, and R1A will equals R1 plus the thickness. So go to family type, R1A equals R1 plus thickness. Okay, so apply. Okay, so now we need to close this profile. So reference line, draw on face, maybe 3D snapping, pick, escape, here, escape. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, create form. So we will have this face. So let's do this one. Reference, arc, draw work plan, set work plan, pick work plan, and draw another one from here to here, and then radius. This will be R1A, and then also we need another 2 reference line to close this profile. One escape, another one here, so and then 1, 2, 3, and tab, select, create form, face. So now we have these two. At this end, we are going to create another set of these, but this time, because we want the tile to at this end will lower a little bit, so we can overlapping the tile. So we are going to create a point, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan, and place it on the point. So you should see the warning. So do another one. So set work plan, horizontal work plan, and place it on the point. Okay, so now click on the point. I'm going to offset this, but I'll just link this to a thickness. Okay, so same here, link to the thickness. So now we're going to create this arc. So draw work plan, set work plan, pick the vertical work plan with this point, and then I'll just do an arc from here to here, radius. So this time it will be R2. Okay, so R2 instant, okay, and go to family types. R2 equals W2 divided by 4. And okay, so now let me just do another one here. Set work plan, pick this work plan, and here to here, and radius. So this one will be R2A instance. Okay, family type R2A equals R2 plus thickness. Apply. Okay, so reference line, draw on face. This point, and this point. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. Create form, face. So now let's do this one. Reference, arc, draw work plan, set work plan, pick the vertical work plan, and I'll do a radius, do an arc. Oops, wrong side. Okay, let's Control Z. Let's do it again. So set work plan, pick the work plan, draw arc, done. Yep, radius, R2. Another one, reference, arc, draw work plan, set work plan, pick work plan, draw the arc, radius, R2A. So now reference, line, draw on face. So pick these 2 points, escape, oops. Yep, draw on face, 1, 2. So now 1, 2, 3, tab, 4, create form, face, and then select this face, create form, select this face, create form. So now we have these 2 tiles. So let's have a test. So change the grid 500, good, 600, good. And what else? Thickness 20, good. Oh, good. So now the tile is finished. I'm going to create a mesh. Okay, so reference. Go to floor plan, reference line, spline through points. I'll just roughly 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Go to 3D view. I'll just click on the front and move it up. And second one, move it up. So now I'll just drag these points a little bit up, and maybe this a little bit down, and then I'll create this face. Okay, so this will be the face of the roof, and then divide surface, and then change this to maximum spacing. So, and then I'm going to use 500 by 500. So each one will roughly close to 500 by 500. Okay, so now load this one into the mesh. Go back to 3D view again, click on like this, and change the pattern to this one. So if your face is very big and you have a lot, like all the grids, you probably need to wait quite a while. But this one's quite small, and so it only takes like 5 seconds, so which is good. So now you can see, so from the top, so this is it. So you can change where's the parameter? I think that's instant. Tab, select. Yeah, that's only thickness. Let's make it 40 pi. Anything change, or just only that one? Maybe I need to select all. So select all, thickness 40. Yeah, oh good. That's it. So I'll upload this mesh family so you can have a look. Yeah, just to show you some idea, but I don't recommend. I will not recommend you to use this in real to model like all the tiles for your roof, but you can use this for some like concept idea. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.